Ka Sorkar jylla kala Pyllait riu phok Klur tyngka na ka bynta ban Siew ya bnai ka Tulop jong nonghikai skul SSA ya ka nilai thu do ma lakmen rumbui menteri ketenat puli puthi jok Sorkar jylla ka santrik uya yong arja ar uba lakmen ulai thu ru ba ka Sorkar kami ka Pyllait san riu phra Klur ka tyngka na ka bynta ban Siew sa sau bnai ka Tulop jong nonghikai.
The government has released what is being promised by me have been released.
When the amount was released?
So the government have released on 26th of last month, and it must have reached the district, and they must have distributed whatever we have already promised. And moreover, under 2 months, we are working on it, which we have received from the government of India. So it will reach within this month.
What is the amount released by the government for these 2 months?
The government have released 60 crore, and the government of India also is releasing 68 crore.